Alright, hey everybody, this is Dustin with TalkAndroid.com, and we're here today with Paul from Motorola going over the new Xoom tablet. As you can see, it's kind of going through some videos. So, Paul, maybe you can kind of walk us through some of the stuff here on this new tablet.
Yes, this is the Motorola Xoom. Over 100 tablets launched here at CES, and this is one best of show. We believe it's the definitive tablet. It's the first on Android 3.0 Honeycomb, the all-new software from Google, specifically built to be on a tablet. It's also one of the first on a dual-core processor. That dual-core processor is critical. You can see here a movie playing back. This is a 10.1-inch HD display. It's like ripping a plasma screen off the wall, putting it in the palm of your hand, rendering beautiful graphics. You need a good processor to do that, and also 1 GB of RAM. So lots of horsepower, some of the leading class hardware specifications. We've also got front and rear facing cameras. It's 3G at launch, will be upgradable to 4G, so there's no need to wait. You can buy this at Verizon in the next 90 days. Pricing and detailed availability to come. But it also, as I said, runs Honeycomb. So let's give you a review of Honeycomb. Basically, new browser. People are calling these tablet PCs. We want the PC browsing experience on our tablet. To do that, we've re-engineered the browser. If I call up a website here and hold on the thing, I'm now opening up a multiple tab. I've got multi-tab browsing. Again, that's where the dual-core processor is going to be important. I've got multiple pages loading, I'm scrolling through, I'm clicking on triangles and playing video in the browser because we support Adobe Flash 10.1. No separate applications to do any of that. Thumbnail views like you get on your Android handset, but obviously a lot richer, so I'm scrolling through with my fingers. We've also added a cool new feature called incognito mode, so I can switch off the browsing history in my browser, which is pretty cool. Let's also take a look at Google Maps. The new Google Maps 5.0. Again, lots of processing power on these new vector-based maps. As I open up, let's call up Times Square. Call up Times Square on here. Now zoom in. You see how fast and beautiful this is. It's also multi-finger touch. So as the buildings come up on the 3D view, I'm using multiple fingers to drag and rotate because I've got the real estate, I've got the horsepower, I've got the software to do that. And I can zoom into Times Square here, click Street View, pinch to zoom, drive in. It really is a gorgeous interface. So those are some of the highlights. The Motorola Xoom, as I said, available at Verizon coming weeks.
Awesome. Okay, can we kind of take a look at the back side as well? Some of the hardware that we got on here?
So on the top here we have SD card slot, a 3.5mm headset jack.
How far out expandable is the SD card?
Details to be confirmed on the SD card. We've got a 5-megapixel camera. It also records in HD. Dual LED flash. I've got my power on button. Multiple 2 speakers here, stereo speakers. Down the bottom, I've got my micro USB for data. That's only data. HDMI. I've got Pogo tops for our dock. So we've got a dock that actually has full USB out, so I can hook up a full keyboard and use the screen and use it as a PC.
Right.
And then a barrel charger for the charging. It's got a large battery in it. Plays video for up to 10 hours continuous.
All right. And so when about can we expect to see this kind of coming out to the public?
We're saying this quarter, so that's within the 90 days. So over the next 90 days,
all right,
in Verizon.
Sounds really good here. So, all right, guys. Again, this has been Tyler and Dustin here with TalkAndroid.com with Paul from Motorola, and thanks for walking us through this. We appreciate it.
No problem.